My friends, right now I am at the birthplace of great freedom fighter of India, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, his residence is located in Tikarampur of Babortahat of undivided Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, they are the girls. Without their support and cooperation, I could not reach here. First of all, I shall introduce them with all of you. What's your name?
Sunita Maji,
In which school you are reading now?
Ganadamuni Balika Vidyalaya.
Where it is? In Babortahat? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What class do you read in?
And I reading
Hmm.
class 4.
Okay. And in which school?
And my school name is Tikarampur Primary School.
Okay. My friends, right now I shall show you the near and there ins and outs of the residence of great freedom fighter of India, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, this is Tikarampur in Baborta heart of Purbo Medinipur, where great freedom fighter Sushil Kumar Dhara took his birth, and this is the birthplace of great freedom fighter of India, Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, now I am entering to that area, and I am entering to that building from where respected Sushil Dhara did all activities. Respected Sushil Dhara maintained all activities, and respected Sushil Dhara planned all activities to eradicate British rule from India. My friends, this is the building. At the age of 15 years, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara left his birthplace Tikarampur of Babortahat of Purbo Medinipur and reached at Terapekha of Purbo Medinipur, where I am presently standing now. My friends, now I am slowly going into the building where he stayed, and I shall show you his all belongings and his all memorable things. My friends, she is Pratima Jana, who looked after the great freedom fighter of India, Sushil Kumar Dhara, during his last 30 years. My friends, she is noble lady. My friends, Pratima Jana, she is really the noble lady. I think she did the good job for the survival of the great freedom fighter of India, Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, I think Pratima Jana will live long for the service of every mankind. My friends, Pratima Jana, a lot of salutes to her. My friends, he is the respected father of respected freedom fighter Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, she is respected mother of respected freedom fighter Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, this is the almirah which was used by Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, this gentlewoman, she is helping me too much. She is opening the almirah in front of me, and I think this almirah was made on British time. My friends, as Sushil Kumar Dhara was connected with Peerless Company, so Peerless Company felicited respected freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara on Platinum Jubilee year. This wheelchair had been used by respected freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara at his old age. See, my friends, now I am showing the room where respected freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara was staying, and ma'am, Pratima ma'am, she is showing everything, and really she is showing everything, and Pratima ma'am is showing these articles which were gifted by somebody when Sushil Kumar Dhara was at his last stage of life, and these are the chairs used by Sushil Kumar Dhara, and this bed was used by Sushil Kumar Dhara, and this table was used by Sushil Kumar Dhara. My friends, now I shall show you the area where respected great freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara died on January 28, 2011 at the age of 99 owing to prolonged illness. My friends, this is the building where he took his last birth. Many memories of respected freedom fighter, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara are associated with this bell tree. This is the bell tree where he used to play, where he used to climb up, where he used to catch the bell fruit from this bell tree. My friends, sometimes he used to jump from this bell tree, and at the last stage of his life, he used to drink the bell juice prepared out of this bell fruit from this bell tree. My friends, this building's name is
Pragyananda Bhavan. Pragyananda was monk freedom fighter from whom respected freedom fighter Satish Chandra Samant and respected freedom fighter Sushil Kumar Dhara took initiation. My friends, later on, this building named as Pragyananda Bhavan was constructed and Swami Pragyananda stayed here. My friends, now this building is used for social works on rent basis. Really good building, really well decorated building, and many times in a year this building has been used for many celebration on rent basis. Really good. And this is the area where the temple Pragyananda is located, and here on daily basis worship is performed at a fixed time. My friends, right now I shall show you the area where respected freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara was cremated, and this is the area. My friends, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara was a revered revolutionarist and political leader who played a significant role during the British rule. His hard work and patriotic spirit inspired to ignite a revolutionary movement in his native area. He was born on 2nd March 1911 in Tikarampur village in Mohisadal near Tamlok in Purbo Medinipur district. He became actively involved in the anti-British movement after completing his education. My friends, following India's independence, Sushil Kumar Dhara actively participated in politics. He was elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly from the Mohisadal constituency in 1962, 1967 and 1969 on behalf of Congress Party. His contribution to the country continued until his death on 28 January 2011 at the age of 100. He was cremated at this place after his death. And this is the statue of respected freedom fighter from undivided Medinipur, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara. See the statue of great freedom fighter from undivided Medinipur, respected Sushil Kumar Dhara. ताम्रलिप्त जातीय सरकार, a free nationalist government was established. This event served as a source of great inspiration for revolutionaries. However, the British police eventually apprehended him and he was sentenced to more than 12 years in prison as a first-class prisoner. My friends, now I sign off
from the area of Terapekha residence, where respected freedom fighter of India Sushil Kumar Dhara spent the most of the time in his life. My friends, he was born at Tikarampur of Baborta of undivided Medinipur, and he stayed at Terapekha residence to make a lot of agitations to make India free from British rule, and he made a lot of planning. He took a lot of planning to make India free from British rule. My friends, the contribution of respected freedom fighter Sushil Kumar Dhara to make India free from British rule is very appreciated. My friends, this time I am standing on the roof of the residence of respected freedom fighter of India, Sushil Kumar Dhara, and this residence is located at Terapekha in Mohisadal of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, thank you.